I think we'll head over there to that O'Reilly's and get these windshield wipers replaced so we can see and not have to listen to that crap. All right, man. I appreciate it.
No problem. You have a great rest of your night.
You too. Well, that definitely is much better than what it was. Hope and I are out on the road, and it started raining and blowing, and we just damn near smacked a deer. I thought, that's it. These windshield wipers are driving me crazy. I can't see, they're loud. So we headed to the nearest auto parts. All right, the auto parts was right across the street from a Walmart. So that's gonna work out pretty darn well. All right, let's make dinner. Let's see. Told you we almost hit that deer. I had to do a little bit of evasive maneuvering. So I need to be careful when I open the cabinets. All right, what I think we're gonna have tonight is 3 cheese tortellini with ragu spaghetti sauce with meat. That sounds pretty darn good. What I like about this is I can cook right here, and the vent is right up, so all the steam and stuff goes right out the vent. Be enough water. Man, that's what I like about this. It's only been a couple of minutes and it's already starting to boil. Now, what I like about this tortellini is it doesn't have to be refrigerated. And I think it'll be nice out on the trail as well. But I wanted to give it a try and see how it does here in the van. I think I'm going to make about half of it. Does not have to be refrigerated. Whoa, there's a mess. Doesn't have to be refrigerated, and it'll last about 2 to 3 weeks after opening. All right. What do you think, Hope? You about ready for some supper too? All right. It's been about 10 minutes, and these bad boys are done. So let's move this over here. Old trick I learned. That pops the seal. I bet Opal like these. Tasty. All right. Let's see. How they taste. I think next time I'm going to get the chunky garden. Maybe have some meat browned up in advance. That would make this tremendous. This is pretty darn good like it is. Round two. That bag makes quite a bit. You get 2 good meals out of 1 bag. And the spaghetti sauce, man, you probably get at least 4 meals out of 1 jar. Alright. I have to say I do prefer the Chunky Garden over this traditional with meat. It's kind of bland, but it's still awful, awful good. I thought about having a beer with this. Now that would be really good. But we haven't decided if we're going to stay here or move on up the road. So, maybe next time. That was pretty darn good. Really easy to do, inexpensive. Yep. Alrighty. Ope didn't want his, so I put his down in his bowl for later. And now just a little simple cleanup, and we'll be done with dinner. Well, it was a little low in the rain, so Ope and I went out so Ope could go to the bathroom. And we timed it pretty well because the rain has started back again. Let me show you. You can probably hear the heater on. It's making it nice and warm. All right, well, I'm gonna listen to my book and the rain beating on the roof and call it a night.